this video, we're going to look at phrasal verbs used when talking about social relationships. So welcome to this special video on phrasal verbs used in social relationships. Phrasal verbs are commonly used when describing relationships or something that happened or happens between people. They're very important to know, so we'll dive in and explore some of these useful phrasal verbs. They enjoy hanging around in the park after school. Reach out, to make contact or communicate with someone, often to offer help or support. Emma reached out to her old friend Kate for advice on the problem she was having with her son. Back off, to withdraw or retreat from a situation or relationship. When Mike felt overwhelmed, he asked his friend to back off for a while. Tom and Sarah like to hang out at the bar on Saturday evenings. Jenny and Lisa decided to meet up for coffee to catch up on each other's lives. I get on very well with my neighbours. Get along like a house on fire. This is a phrasal verb used with an idiomatic expression. It means to have a really close and friendly relationship. We've got on like a house on fire since the first time we met. Fit in, to be accepted or belong in a particular group or social setting. Lucy found it challenging to fit in at her new evening class at first. Look up to admire or respect someone. Emily has always looked up to her dad as a role model. Put up with, to tolerate or endure something or someone unpleasant. They have to put up with the loud music played by their neighbours in the flat above. Look out for, to watch out for or protect someone's interests. Jenny always looks out for her younger sister at the playground. Speak out, to express one's opinions or beliefs openly and honestly. Jim has always spoken out at local community meetings about social injustice. Get together, to meet or gather with others for a specific purpose or event. They often get together for a barbecue on Sundays in the summer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and leave any comments. See you again soon. Bye for now.